The much-awaited JEE Advanced 2025 results have been officially declared, marking a significant milestone for engineering aspirants across India. Rajit Gupta from the IIT Delhi zone has secured All India Rank 1. A major achievement has been recorded in the construction of the Khordha Road Balangir railway line as the final tunnel has been successfully excavated. Located between Buguda and Dasupala, T2 tunnel marks the completion of tunnel works in the line. Amid a fresh wave of COVID-19 caused by the SARS-CoV-2, a new study conducted by the IIT Madras has shown that viruses follow seasonal and yearly cycles. Meanwhile, the number of active COVID-19 cases in Odisha rose to 15. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President of Paraguay Santiago Pena Palacios held wide-ranging bilateral talks at Hyderabad House in New Delhi today. The meeting understandably aimed to infuse new momentum into the diplomatic and economic partnership between India and Paraguay. South Africa wicketkeeper batter Henrich Klaasen has announced his retirement from international cricket, adding that this decision will now allow him to spend more time with his family. Australian all-rounder Glenn Maxwell, on the other hand, has announced his retirement from ODIs to focus on next year's T20 World Cup. A major controversy has erupted over ISKCON's Rath Yatra in Kolkata as the organization has installed aircraft tires instead of wooden hills on the chariot. This move has sparked outrage among Lord Jagannath devotees who believe it undermines the sanctity and heritage of the festival. A horrific murder has shaken Govindpur village in Kabishurianagar of Ganjam district, where a man was allegedly stabbed to death by none other than his wife and father-in-law. The ghastly incident was the outcome of an extramarital affair. President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in extending greetings to the people of Telangana on Statehood Day, highlighting the state's rich cultural heritage and vibrant modern ecosystem. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also extended greetings to the people of Telangana, wishing them success and prosperity. Cricket lovers across the world are eagerly waiting for the IPL 2025 final match to be held between the Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Punjab Kings at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Gujarat tomorrow. While RCB has entered the final defeating Punjab Kings in Qualifier 1, Punjab Kings beat Mumbai Indians yesterday in Qualifier 2 to have the title clash with RCB.